one of our pilot farm at Ijebu. We are glad to show you once again the importance of deep litter system of hearing pigs. And as you can see from this litter that we are showing you presently, this is one of the litters that we have been using for the past 1 year. Precisely speaking, we started using it May 2021, and to the glory of God, we are in May 2022. We are rather in June 2022, and that tells us a lot. This same litter, we have used it for a whole year and 1 month, and we are in the second month of another year. And as you can see, it is still performing. Loose, dry, and very, very accommodating to the animal. As you can see, it is not sticky to my fingers. All the nutrients, all the faces have been decayed or eaten up by the microbes in the litter. Look at this for example now. It has been here quite a long time. See? And still, we stand to be corrected. The environment is not smelly. The animals are not smelly. This is part of those ones too that have decayed. Do you see it? At slight pressure, they crumbled and back to the system. This is another one of the litters that have decayed. The microbes act on the litters. It acts on the faces. Anyone that refuses to dry up, the animal will eat it up. Some will be so dry that by the slight pressure of our hand, we cannot break them. This is the dung area. And as you can see, all over the pen, everywhere is neat. Everywhere is clean. The animals, they are hale and hairy, happy. This is the wallowing pool. So I still stand to be corrected that this deep litter system of hearing pig, for us in Africa, especially in this region that we find ourselves in this beautiful country of Nigeria, it is still the best for every pig farmer. If you are not having testimonies like us, you can easily ask us. If somebody is doing something and is having testimony, then ask the person how you are doing it. And I pray that the grace of God will speak for all of us. And all our adventure, the Lord will bless them in the mighty name of Jesus. Since 1 year on the run already, we are in the second year, and the litters are still good. As you can see, it's still